Hi friends, I'm Zain and you're watching Code with Zain. So it's been a long time since I uploaded any other video. So today I thought of uploading a video. So we had been doing a lot of HTML and CSS in the previous playlist. So now today we're going to start with C++. Um, to download C++ setup file, you can check the description. I have put the link there. You can download from sourceforge.net. So let's talk about C++. Actually, C, not C++. C++ was an extension built to C. We have more extensions like Objective C is there, and we have also got uh, C sharp. So we have many extensions to C. But we'll learn the main C language, which was developed by Dennis Ritchie. Now, to get started, first of all, let me tell you that I'll be using the DEV C++ IDE. So to get started, once you're here, you can here where my mouse is. You can just click that icon, or you can simply remember the hotkey Control N, Control N. Now, I'm going to write a line of code. Include stdio.h. So then we'll have one minute. So now as you can see that I have written a piece of code. Now if I simply run it, so here you can see that you have a compile and run option, or F11 is the hotkey for this. So you have to save this in in a directory. So you can keep any name like first program. Now once it runs, you'll see that we have a message printed. This is C in developer C++. Now one thing I want to tell you that if I wrote this as a message and this was a message, why wasn't it printed? Now this is because these are called comment lines. These are used to, like, if I was using a variable a b c d e f g h I j k, so you need to remember what j was, for what was the formula for j. So that's what these comment lines are used. These aren't read by compile. So you may write as much as you want, but it won't affect the compilation speed of your program. Then these are the command lines. Now after this we have this. So I guess we should start from the beginning of the program. Then we have hashtag include. So it tells the compiler to include a file, and this looks like HTML, like we have a tag, but this is not a tag, this is the file name. And this is stdio.h, which has all the functions like printf. So if I remove it for 1 second and then run the program, so it'll tell you that printf was not declared in the scope. The compiler doesn't know what printf command is. So now we will see what is this stdio file. Now if you hold control and click over the name of, so you'll see this is what it looks like. So a lot of code, so I should close it. Now after we include it, we have a scope which name is main. I'm not sure will it possess an error if we change the name of the scope. And these are brackets where arguments are kept. What are arguments, you'll learn later on. Then we have this curly brackets. These are used to mark the start and end of a scope or a loop. So that's what is the main use of this bracket. Then we have this printf, and every command has to go inside brackets. Okay. So for example, if I write like this, if I remove the brackets, okay, then run it. Expected this before string constant search possession may have very nice error that I don't know what does the error mean. So it's important to insert brackets. Now after brackets, what if I remove these inverted commas? Yeah, let's remove this. So it will print this was not declared in this scope. Why this? Why not is? Why not C? Why not N? Why not DEV? Why not minus? Why not C? Because when compiler reached, he saw that everything is fine till printf and bracket. Then he says this is not a variable. This is not a variable declared in the scope. In this main scope. So that's why we'll start compiling here and show print the error as shown, as it will reach to this line while compiling. So in programming language, any text, a piece of text which is inside inverted commas is called a string. So this is a string. Okay, you can also print numbers if you want, but that has a different syntax to write. Print a number, we write it a decimal number, we write it somewhat like this, like 23. Let's check if it will work. So as you can see, it's printing 23. Now you will tell what's the difference between decimals and text in C++. This is because I can also write piece of text in here. It's okay. Printf 23. Look, it does print. But the difference between decimals and strings is that we can perform operations on integer values and decimal values, but on strings we have some different sorts of operations. So that's what we learned in this video. This is the first part, so don't take it too heavy on you. C is a very nice programming language and helps us to build console applications and also games. So we'll reach day by day, we'll reach there. So this is all for today. Do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. This is all for today.